As all can see, I am sitting on the banks of Ganga. I, Tantrik Mahendra, here in Sector 6, on the banks of Holy Ganges, in Kumbh 2013. Today is 18th February. The worship of Ganga is intertwined with the very spirit of Hindu religion. Ganga is called Devanadi, Surasari. It is said that one dip in Holy Ganges, Holy Ganga river, relieves a person from pain, sickness, which a person gets as a result of papa that he or her has done in his or her life. So, having a dip in the Ganga, worshipping Ganga, doing arti in Ganga, putting lamps lighted in Ganga, putting flowers in Ganga, putting milk in Ganga, all these various ways of worshipping Ganga are good for a person who wants Atmagyana, who wants a release from the bondages of the physical and mundane affairs, and one who wants a path towards spirituality. Ganga is a river in a physical form. Ganga is a Tirtha Shakti. Ganga is the goddess that purgates you. It is said, Gange tava darshanat mukti. If you see Ganga, you are liberated from the bondages of birth and death. It is said in the sacred book Ramcharitmanas, written by Goswami Tulsidas, that Darasa Paras Aru Majjan Pana, seeing the Ganga, touching the Ganga, taking a dip in Ganga, and drinking holy water of Ganges. All these four ways, Ganga liberates a person from all pain, sickness, disease, sins. This is the glory of Ganga. When we come to Tantric traditions, we worship Ganga as a Tirtha Shakti, and in our daily routine, when we try to purgate ourselves physically, we do an avahan, and in that avahan, we pray to Sun God with an Ankush Mudra. We take water in a pot and put that pot, and then do Ankush Mudra. This is Ankush Mudra, and pray to Surya, Ravi, that Prathivyani yani tirthani karisprishtani te rave tena satyena me kuru tirthang de divakara. O God, Sun, you have touched all the tirthas, all the sacred places of the world. So, as taking it as a truth, give me that power of purification. And then we worship the 7 rivers. Gange, Jamune, Jaiva, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmade, Sindhu, Kaveri, Jalesmin, Sannidhim Kuru. Then we pray to these 7 rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Kaveri, Sindhu, that they should come and purgate the water, be inside the water, and with that water we purgate ourselves, our physical body, and be prepared for the worship of gods. So, as you see, that Ganga is at the very beginning of every ritual. That is the importance of Ganga. Ganga is you can say, is it intertwined with the Hindu mythology, with the Hindu sensibility, with the Hindu religion, all Indian traditions, and many Western traditions as well. So, if you read, I don't know whether Wordsworth has come to India, maybe, or he got some influence from somewhere, or he might have read, but you find a mention in Tintin Abbey, Sky Found River. The Sky Found River is which river? It is the river that has come from skies, and that is the only river mentioned in the world that has come from skies, and that is Ganga. So you see, this idea of Vedanta, this idea of the very Hindu religion is present in many cultures, not only India, but also in many Western cultures, you find the traces of the presence of holy Ganges in some form or the other form. As far as the mantra is concerned, we find the worshipping mantras of Ganga in Puraschana Rasollas Tantra, and the most easy mantra is Ring Gangai Ring. If a person recites this mantra in his or her own mind, sitting on the banks of Ganga on a red blanket at a fixed time in a fixed place, the person will certainly get the blessings of Ganga, the holy Ganga, the mother Ganga. Moreover, Ganga itself the embodiment of knowledge. If you see the names of Jnana, the Gita, the Bhagavad Gita, you find that Ganga is a synonym to Gita. As I tell you, I recite a sloka. Gita Namani. Gita Ganga cha Gayatri, Sita Satya Saraswati, Brahma Vidya Brahmavalli, Trisandhya Mukti Gehini, Ardhamatra Chidananda Bhavanadhi Bhavanashini, Vedatrayi Parananta Tattvartha Jnana Rupini, Ittetani Japan Nityam Naro Nischala Manasah, Jnana Siddhim Labhe Sigram Dathante Paramam Padam. इत्तेतानि जपन नित्यम, इन नामों को 18 नामों को जो प्रतिदिन जपता है पढ़ता है, ज्ञान सिद्धिम लभे शीघ्रम, वो ज्ञान को प्राप्त करता है, तथान्ते परमम पदम, और उसके बाद परम पद को प्राप्त करता है, भगवती का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करता है। ओ नाइस वीडियो।